Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy stock on the Chase app investing account. First, open the Chase mobile app and log into your account. Then, tap the menu icon and select Investments. Now, choose your JP Morgan self-directed investing account. Next, tap the Trade button on the main screen. After that, select Stocks as your investment type. Now, enter the stock symbol or company name you want to buy. Tap on the correct stock from the search results. Then, choose Buy and enter the number of shares. After that, select an order type such as Market, Limit, or Stop. Now, review the estimated cost and trade details. Tap Submit or Place Trade to confirm your order. Finally, check your portfolio to see your new stock added. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.